Welcome to the DOMO TV Stand Assembly Manual. In Step 1, position Part 1. Position accessories I and secure with accessory C. In Step 2, position pieces 2 and 3 and fit the accessories A. Fix the D accessories in the indicated locations. With the 4 pieces positioned, fit the A accessories and then secure the E accessories in the indicated locations. Fit the A accessories into Part 6. Fit the parts together and secure with accessory D. And then secure with the G accessories. Finally, fix accessory J in the indicated location. In Step 3, position the pieces 7 and fit the accessories A in the indicated locations. Position Part 5 and, with accessories E and J, secure it. Fix all G accessories in the indicated locations. In Step 4, fit the H accessories into pieces 8 and place them in the indicated location. In Step 5, position parts 9, 10, 11, and M in the indicated locations and secure them with accessories F. And to finish, attach accessories B and F.